I fixed it, but I failed again.
These ones are doing better, you can see.
And I'll show you. I will first show you the whole mess. Hello and welcome back. It's another day. So obviously this new year, it's about plants. That's what I am very focused. Just because I did start early, but not early enough, which is like, if you're good and you know your plants, then you know they should be ready by then. But I failed because my dahlias did grow, but they were growing very flimsy. I didn't understand how much light they need, and that was the main issue last year. But let me tell you that this year I thought I knew, but I still didn't enough. So I fixed it, but I failed again. So I want to show you. So we'll go together and I'll show you what I did. So I will first show you the whole mess and the transformation for this space, because for me the attic is like one of the most special places in this entire house. It feels like a secret place, you know, like you don't expect it. So when you come in here, it's like, wow, it's a whole usable space and it's lovely, and that's where I work and where I read and like I train and all that stuff. So I do many things in here. It's just like very messy. So I'm gonna show you the things that went wrong first. So you can see here, these are the cosmos. They're falling. Can you see? They're very flimsy, like very tall and flimsy. They call it leggy, like they grew like so long. Can you see? They're so long, but they cannot even stand by themselves. So that's because they were missing light. So I thought this was enough. That's why they're like so low, because I had them so much taller. And then I even like put some focus lights to help them survive. These ones are doing better. You can see. Not sure if you can see them. Can you see them inside? But they should have already started. So it's like really slowly. I can see that there as well. But it's like really slowly. And they're also pretty leggy. You know, yeah, they stand, but it's like they're not really strong. So anyway, this is the setup I have here on top of this mess. There's no style in this, it's just like stuff. And then this is the other piece where I have, well, this one is doing great. This is the Gerbera, which I already had. The other one almost died, and I managed to make it come back. So I'm very excited about this. So like the lights are actually working, but I'm not sure they're working for, you know, for the seeds. They need more light. This is the rose. There's a tiny rose plant. And you can also see it's kind of, she's thriving. There's a lot of new growth. Can you see? And she's loving it. So that's great. And then, fun fact, there's one dahlia that just sprouted like a day ago, which I'm really like, yeah, I'm amazed by that. The other ones, for now, there's nothing. I'm gonna have to put some water and see if they sprout. But this one that sprouted, like, this is very good news. But now, the moment they sprout, the dahlias, they go like very fast. They can get as tall as me. So like they get very tall if they have the light for that. Here, there's some like wildflowers that I intend to like have in the garden, but already grown in this. I wanted to some, you know, and yeah, there's like some over here, some there. But again, it's the same issue, like the lights are not enough. So, and here there's nothing happening so far. All in all, like it's a little bit sad because like you can see there's many cells that are empty, that either they died or they didn't grow. Here is a little the same. It's better with the zinnias, but it's been like 3 weeks almost, and it shouldn't be this small. It should be so much better. So I have the plan. I'm gonna fall because look at the mess. Another part was like I just got dirt. I don't know where to put it, so we just throw it in here. Like there's tools. Yeah, I have Ryobi tools. Like I have boxes. I need to organize them. I never find time. I don't do it. And then it's all here. Then Alex's winter stuff, like he just dropped it in here. And then the whole space, it's chaotic. The whole thing. It's like chaos everywhere. And yeah, I focus my energy here. I work and I don't look behind with all of this. But it could be so much nicer. So I want to record a before and after, obviously, because I want to show you. I got this is the idea. I got these lights. Like normally they sell them at Costco for Christmas. I like I mean, they can do colors, but I like the warm white. And the idea is I want to put them all around this, so that they are their lights, they are their lights. So this whole like reading area here is actually like really cozy. So of course, all of this dirt and all of this stuff, like this is not really the place to do this. It's just like, I need a warm place, or warm enough. It's not super warm here. It's like maybe 20 degrees, 19. It's like a little chilly. It's not very, very warm. Of course, because it's like the roof is here. This is the roof of the house. So I love my area to like study, but there's like cables all over. It's difficult to clean. Everything is just full of stuff. So I want to just give it a complete new face and put things into place. Like, why do I have the AC here? This is something for training that I don't know where to put it, so I put it there. There's another box here. Like, it's so messy. And the things like, for example, like these shelves, I'm gonna be like, either I put them or I put it in the garage. But like, cannot be like all laying around here. So that's the plan. Also, I want to install this because I got this last week, and this is basically just my attempt to not have this mess. Basically, like I will still have some there. Can you see them? There. I need some extension cords to put the light because it doesn't reach there. I'm still gonna have, but it's gonna look sort of clean. That's the idea until I manage to until I have it in the garden shed, which I first need to finish inside. So it means like I need to do like a little makeover. It's not little, it's quite a lot actually. So I took this as like, I wanted to put them here because, as you can see, also this floor is a structural floor. It's not like a floor that you can easily clean. So back in the days, I was looking at like different pieces. So that's one piece. And this is the other piece. It's a little smaller, like lengthwise, you can see. Let me put them side by side. You'll see like this one is wider. Yeah. This one is like a little shorter, tinier. I don't know which one you like the most. Tell me. Because this one has a bit more of like, to the touch also. Whereas this is like very smooth. I was one into the other. So it's all smooth, So my idea was, okay, if I can put for the shed something of this sort, doesn't need to be wood-like, it could be like whatever. Just so that, I can isolate the floors and put something on top. Of course, I could put any other thing, but I thought this was like not too expensive and good looking. That's why I had it for these floors. Because like, they are nice, but like you can see like if there's water falling, the stains and then you can't take it out because it's in the wood. It soaks it in the wood, and this is the structural wood. So I was like, I wanted to put this so that I could actually like mop the floors, clean them, and you wouldn't hear as much, because now you hear everything. You're downstairs here on the other rooms, you can hear like clear as if they were here, because there's no isolation, nothing. So anyway, a lot of things, but that's gonna be for another day when I do a makeover here. How nice it is. You know, like I'm all day long here, and then I just go here to do my plants. It's just like, it's the same space, you know what I mean? So I want to like put it nice for now so that it's functional. It's not going to be super pretty, but it's going to be better than this for sure. It's an activity at the end of the day after you finish working, rather than just staying here in the same place all day long, which, you know, for those of you who've worked from home, you know how important it is to like change scenery and change environment, because like all the time in the same place. I think after COVID, everybody understands that like we need the change of environment to be like healthy mentally. So yeah, that's the idea. Also, I need to install many things like these mats. I got these like heat mats, and yeah, I need to install them. Lots of stuff. So that's all. I am gonna start just like organizing here, taking all this stuff out, the shoes, like what's obviously not in their place. 2 weeks later, this is how it's going. You guys remember the one that just came out? That's her. Isn't it incredible? Look at all the rest. And we have gladiolus. Disclaimer, we still have a mess. Look at this. Can you see it? Can you see what I'm seeing? It's a flower. It's another flower. The cosmos have flowered and the zinnias are about to. They're downstairs. I just added plants to the mess. Everything's creating and growing. We have many new zinnias down here. So it's gonna be amazing. That's the update. Well. That's the update. I'll see you all next week, and hopefully I'll be able to show you the full organization of this attic. See you.